With the FISHCON Lock, fish migration at hydropower plants, flood protection structures, or other dams can be realized in an easy, gentle, and cost-effective way. The patented technology consists of 2 lock chambers which are always completely filled with water. Each of it is equipped with slide gates on the upper and lower water entrance. Always one chamber is open to the upper water and the other chamber to the lower water. As a result, an attraction flow streams via the pipe bend through the FISHCON Lock. The flow rate is limited in the pipe bend so that optimal flow velocities are present. This can be done with a small turbine or alternatively with a throttle. Fish feel the attraction flow and, guided by it, swim into the fish lock. After a defined time, the slide gates change their position. Fish that have previously swam in can continue to migrate. At the same time, other fish can swim in and use the FISHCON Lock for their ascent and descent.